Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log out of your Pokemon Go's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Pokemon Go's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Pokemon Go application. The home page of Pokemon Go application will appear on the screen. Tap on Pokemon icon at the bottom of the page. On the next page, click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will end up on the settings page of your Pokemon Go's account. Scroll down and tap on sign out option. From the pop-up, confirm signing out of your Pokemon Go's account by tapping on yes. It will sign you out of your Pokemon Go's account in no time. This is how you can log out of your Pokemon Go's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.